Hello guys, welcome back. Thank you very much for all your great comments with the first video of this first Manxman. I really appreciate it. In this video it'll be a little shorter. I'm going to try and look behind some of the covers, so the primary cover, the battery cover, perhaps under the gas tank, and then in the headlight shell to see if we can see some traces of the mythical polychromatic blue colour that a previous owner has gone to a lot of trouble to cover up. So hope you'll enjoy. I'll speak to you again soon. Thanks. I'm just going to take some of these side panels off first of all. So take this side panel is the battery box, the primary cover as well. What I'd like to see here, if possible, is to see if the inner primary cover is still painted, or if the guy took everything apart and then painted on the inside of that as well, and in which case it's black. But yeah, so that'll be interesting to see. Well, we'll start with this. And this has got tons of Bondo on it here, I think, as well. Okay, big battery. Just looking on the inside of the cover, you can see that the ribs are still there, which hopefully implies or infers that it's just Bondo, because these are metal. So you tap it here, it's metal, tap it there, it's just full of plastic. I don't know if you can see that, but you can just see an outline of the ribs there. So, and there on the inside for sure you can see the indentation. So it's not like he's bashed away on the outside of the cover to smooth this over, so hopefully that'll be okay. Oh wow, it's just a wire. So I've just pulled the spindle out just to clear the way so that I can get this socket in here. It's an 11/16 Whitworth socket for this nut. And we can start thinking about removing the primary cover. So I'll just get this brake pedal out of the way, hopefully. And then try and remove this. Well, that was a bit of a wrestle getting that outer primary case off, and as you can see, he's gone to town gluing and sealing this inner O-ring, the seal that holds the outer primary cover to the inner primary cover. So here's the inner primary chain case. It looks okay, nice and clean at least. It's obviously been repainted at some point. I was hoping to see that this would all be nice and blue inside, but it isn't. And chain as well is very suspect. Obviously I'll be replacing the chain, but I thought that would be a continuous link chain, but there's a link there, and also it's not fitting correctly on the sprocket, the clutch sprocket. So. Oh great, oh great, there's a speedo in there, oh good, very good. So that there, back there is blue, it is blue. I couldn't make it out, I thought it was raw metal.
No, it's all blue.
I'll take that. But I think he's had this blasted though at some point, right? Maybe this is just where he's blasted on the inside and couldn't get all the way to the back or something. The fact that that's still blue paint at the back. But this is raw, bare metal. You see there's even some blue there on the nut.
I sure do.
So great. I mean, original headlight assembly, thankfully. I'm so pleased that that's in there, really am. I thought maybe it would just be a fascia on the outside. Yeah, you can even see some blue up here. Yeah, great. Terrific. So yeah, I mean there's some tape in there. Looks like masking tape. Come on. Oh, it's disintegrating. Yes, of course. So there's the witness colours for the painting, and then there's blue in the background. So yeah, I'm certain that this has been sandblasted because it's got that texture and grainy texture that you would have. And then there's the blue at the back where it didn't reach with the sandblaster, and the masking tape. Well, as you saw, the inside of the inner primary cover was a little disappointing. Never mind, it's one of those things. Clearly he's had the whole bike apart at some point to do the black respray. The primary cover, it's got a couple of dings here and there, but it's actually in pretty decent shape, so I might actually be able to salvage this, as well as just caked in oil and grease here. But the gas tank, that's great to see some of the original polychromatic blue here as well. I do have some paint codes from Anna and other members of the forums, but here we have a specific colour match as well for this particular bike, so might be able to use this, I'm not sure. Let's just take a quick look at that. It's not quite as vibrant as I thought it would be, and what I mean that in a good way, that I thought it would be just really bright. It's certainly brighter than silver and grey, but maybe not quite as vivid as I thought. There it is. And this is what it looks like on the inside. There's still some blue paint here. Doesn't look too bad at all.